Hawaiian. Next on the list, plainful. Ito ay uri ng propaganda na ginagamit para makuha ang loob ng mga viewers through concerning words and acts.
Hayop ka! Ginawa mo kong taon-taon sa sakahan. Pero hindi tumataas sweldo ko. At kapag namatay ako, ha? Sino ang papakain sa pamilya ko? Ikaw?
Let me think about it. Ganito na lang. Tataas ang sahod mo sa isang kondisyon. Pag English mo ang mga pinagsasabi mo kanina.
Animal, you! You person me in the farm. But my salary did not grow up. And when I'm dead, who's gonna eat my family? Ha? You?
English Carabao? Tara na sa Bonifacio English Literacy School. Kalidad na edukasyon, maaasahan.
We're now down to our top 3, bandwagon. Sa pamamagitan ng propagandang ito, na ipapakita ng ating mga advertisers na ang kanilang produkto ay tested or trusted na at nais nilang iparating sa ating mga consumers o mga viewers na ikaw na lang hindi gumagamit ng aming produkto.
Her eyes make the stars looks like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her tie. She's so beautiful, and I'll tell her every day. When I see her face, there's nothing that I would change, 'cause she's amazing, just the way she is. Grabe! Ang ganda talaga ni AJ.
English pen?
Use English pen. Load the ball, burn the ball. Remedy for an English pen.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Let's move on to our top 2, testimonials. Dito, gumagamit ng opinions and comments mula sa mga sikat na personalities, especially celebrities.
Double blurred vision? Try eye-tech glasses. Ina sa health, into sa fashion. Ignacio High School. You can find high-quality education, complete facilities, has different organizations, and talented students. What are you waiting for? Enroll now!
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aming mga naibahagi. Ako si Clea.